Hi cruisers, let's go for the final time this week with a further 3 major stories. A rescue mission was underway for one cruise ship, as well as Norwegian Cruise Line announcing scheduling changes, and find out what rules Disney has introduced to get their passengers in a flap. This was basically a real-life ocean thriller on May 26 when the luxury cruise ship Silver Whisper was sailing through the Pacific Ocean from Papeete in Tahiti to Vancouver in Canada when it got a distress call from a destroyed sailboat called April Alice. The lone sailor on board had lost power, communications and even the mast after getting slammed by brutal winds and rough seas somewhere between Hawaii and the US mainland. Captain Michel Macaroni Palmieri turned the massive ship around and spent 7 hours fighting rough waters to reach him. The rescue was so chaotic that the first rescue line actually snapped, forcing the crew to try again. But somehow they pulled it off, bringing the injured sailor on board with a broken shoulder, while stunned passengers watched in tears. We at Cruise Hive say well done, team. Imagine booking your dream Bermuda cruise, and just like that, the schedule suddenly changes. Norwegian Cruise Line just announced that the Norwegian Breakaway will leave King's Wharf in Bermuda 1 hour earlier than planned on June the 19th because of scheduled engine maintenance during the 7-night sailing departing June 14th from Boston. The massive almost 4,000 guest ship will still arrive in Bermuda at 9 a.m. on June the 18th, but now leaves at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. after stopping in Halifax in Nova Scotia on June the 16th. Norwegian Cruise Line says the diesel generator work is routine, but passengers online are also frustrated, especially long-time cruisers who feel Bermuda time keeps getting cut shorter every year. Disney Cruise Line is seriously shaking things up starting June the 3rd, and some cruisers are already freaking out online. The company just updated major policies across the fleet, including stricter stateroom door decoration rules, new selfie stick limits, and changes to carry-on alcohol. Guests 21 years and older can now bring either 1 bottle of wine or a 6-pack of beer on board in carry-on luggage, while the corkage fee dropped from $29 to $20. Meanwhile, selfie sticks and tripods over 18 inches are banned from public ship areas and must stay in staterooms unless used ashore. Disney is also cracking down on hallway decorations, warning guests they could face a $100 fee for damaging doors or blocking corridors. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.